Gold against US dollar. On the daily time frame yesterday, we can see that the price continued to rise in value since the Friday, where the price stopped here at this price level 2415.00. The price continued to rise in value, and we can see the price movement large and weak on the upper side than it is on the lower side, but also the price has created this bullish candle, which is showing a bullish strength. Currently, the next day, we can see today has started again with a bullish strength, where the price is here at 2421.97, and currently it is 2427. So the price is rising in value. This was also expected based on the weekly analysis I have put on a Saturday for what is expected during this week. So what we can expect during this day? During this day, we can see that the price is currently at a very important resistance level. We can see that the price is trying to make a bullish breakout above these two price levels, which is the open and close price of these two candles. And the next level where the price could stop, first of all, is this one here, where is the wick of this candle, and also where is the wick of this candle, which means around 2434 price level. And above that, we can see the next level would be 2450.58, which is a strong resistance level where the price has reached in the past at this on the 20th of May. Now, these are very important levels that the price needs to break in order to continue to rise in value. And so, first of all, this one is here where the price currently is. The second one is this one, 2434. Then we have here the wick of this yesterday candle, which is 2440, and then 2450. So we can see there are several steps. Now, if the price returns all the way back down and the price closes below 2415, and especially this one, 2411, where the price could not close on a Friday, this will be a trigger that there is a potential move that the price will continue to fall down and reach again this price level, which is 2400. Now, these are the levels that are expected during this day. In which direction the price will go, I will cover that inside the Telegram group with the traders on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, where the price is trying to make a bullish or bearish breakouts. Yesterday we have catch this movement where the price has formed a bullish movement, and also this one here where the price formed this bullish pin bar here, and we have caught a wave to reach this area 2426 price level resistance where the price has reached yesterday. Now, this is all for this day. See you tomorrow and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.